Good morning, gardeners. This is the DC Beltway Gardener in Denver. It's the weekend of August 3 and 4, and yesterday we had the first tomato from my crops planted in mid-May. There's a lot of green ones in there. They're all cherry tomatoes except for this Cherokee purple I'm trying to grow back there. You can't see it. I've got way too much things going on in here. That's because I like growing stuff, so I can't dial it back. But I will next year. My cucumbers are growing. Sometimes they sag with the heat, but right now they're still flowering. Hopefully they keep at it. I actually pulled some potatoes out here the other day. Not a whole lot. I think next year what I'll do is, instead of putting potatoes in this round container, I'll stick the bags because the squash is really doing very well in these things. So I've got some there. These jalapeno peppers, they don't like it in here. They like it in the warm pots up on the driveway. So I like thinking about the changes I'm going to make based on the conditions I have. These are all tomatoes that probably should be dead, but I decided to plant them anyway. And I think these are just those little billion tomatoes. You see, I think that's a green machine zucchini. And over here I got a black zucchini. I saw a borer here earlier, so I got rid of him, but I'm thinking I'm gonna need some nematodes or something to control it. Waiting for my sunflowers to bloom. Come on guys, winter's here. Hurry up. I've read that sometimes sunflowers put off a kind of a chemical that prevents other plants from growing. I don't know if that's what's happening to the daisies, but I think I'm going to make a nice line of those next year. And this other zucchini is producing a little green machine here I stuck in the dirt mound. Haven't needed to use my backup plants. Tomatoes growing out of my greenhouses that I made right before the summer. It was kind of too late to put those in the ground. So there we go. Hopefully I'm 1 week away from a ton of tomatoes. We'll see what happens. But until then, happy gardening. Let me know how you're doing. Post a link to your own videos. I would like to hear about it. Like and subscribe, it really helps.